Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. I am Gina and I'm here with another limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. This is the February collection. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, somebody escaped. Let's see. Oh, wow, all of my ephemera is trying to escape. Hold on, let's put you guys back in here. Wow, that is a huge pack. We will take a look at this in just a little bit. But first, let's start where we always start. And here are our 3 packs of flowers. And these are from 49 and Market. And oh, look at what a yummy color that is. I love that. Very nice. And looks like we have a stamp. Faux Bunny Happiness Blooms stamp. Isn't that pretty? Wow, I don't have anything like this. That's really pretty cool. A little piece of ephemera. I found you. Look at this stencil. Very pretty. Oh, I think this is another piece of ephemera. And it's just hanging out here by itself because it's too big for the package here. And what do we have going? Another piece of ephemera. My goodness, here we have a fancy separate pack. Maybe I'll save that until after we look at these. Photo Play. Now, I'm not familiar with that brand. It's not very heavy. Like 49 and Market paper is really, really thick. This feels pretty thin, but oh, I love it. Love and Cherish by Becky Moore. So maybe that's the collection name. And this page is Bouquet. Makes sense. How about that? Photo Play. I've just not heard of them. Maybe I've been under a rock. I don't know. Maybe I'm the last to know. But yay, it's always fun to learn about a new company. This is thick. It's 49 and Market. Isn't that neat? Sentiments, their definitions. That's great. Ooh, wow, look at that. I'm sure most people are like, okay, what's she oohing about? But I really like this. This kind of the gray, this, I don't know why that speaks to me. My craft room, the walls are gray. I really like that. I really like that color. Let's see what we have here. Huh, it's like a little half page. But wow, that's really pretty. I like that style. And maybe these are the pages that are in this pack. We'll see in just a second. Right, we have a page of laser cut ephemera, and you know how much I love that. Oh, let me bring you in just a little closer. Oh, great images. You can always use birds and butterflies and flowers. And this is, I guess, like lace. Is it supposed to be lace or some type of trim? So that's great. Oh, we have another page. Uh-oh. This one's already come out. Oh, neat. It's got these big doors and then more flowers and butterflies. That's awesome. So let's take a look. Like, look at this branding strip. Is that just adorable? Look at that. I love that. That is so pretty. I have a video where I did a project using branding strips, so guys, don't throw these away. I mean, look at those images. Fantastic. I love the page. It's muted. It's an earth tone. That's right up my alley. Love it. And this is from 49 and Market, Vintage Artistry Naturalists. And this one's called Journal Cards. Hey, how about that? No surprise on what we can do with this page. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. This one's called Rainforest. Deep greens. This side's a lot softer. The pretty butterflies flying all around. Bright yellow. Look at this. So cute. This page is called Classified. This one's called Tattered Wings. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. Love these images. Just love this color. And look at this strip. Beautiful. Remember this? The story? All My World. These branding strips are little gold mines. They're great with sentiments and cute little images. This one's called Countryside. That's really pretty. Oh, look at the birds. Oh, isn't that neat? That's different. I haven't seen many pages like this. All the different little birds. Here's a nice deep green. Love that. And look at this. Adorable. And this page is called Meadow. Just a pretty meadow. So let's take a look. Wow, this thing is packed. 93 die cut pieces. Oh my gosh. From the Vintage Artistry Naturalist Ephemera Bits. Wow, oh my gosh. Give me just a minute. I'm going to spread it all out and we'll take a better look. Wow, look at all of this ephemera. This is crazy. Do you like circles? We've got circles with sentiments. We've got circles with sentiments and it has a hole in it. We have banners, different shapes of banners, and we have sentiments that are smaller. We have sentiments that are bigger. We have some big pieces of ephemera. So much to play with and use. This is great. For our recap, we have 6 pages from the Vintage Artistry Naturalist collection. Make that 6.5 pages, plus 2 pages of laser cut ephemera. We have 1 page from the 49 Market Vintage Artistry Essentials collection. This page was called Connotations. And we have a page from Photoplay from the Love and Cherish collection. We have this big piece of ephemera. We have 93 die cut pieces. That also goes with the 49 Market Vintage Artistry Naturalist collection. We've got this lovely stencil, this very unique stamp from Bo Bunny, and our 3 packs of flowers from 49 Market. So that's it, guys. That was the unboxing of the February limited edition kit from My Creative Scrapbook. I always have the link to My Creative Scrapbook in the description box, so if you're interested, you can go online, check it out, see if there are any more of these kits left, or you can take a look at the other kits that they offer as well. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.